This P1351 repairing video is dedicated to Honda's drivers. If your Honda is getting a P1351 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P1351. It means the ignition control system may be faulty. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Honda's P1351 error code. Method A, the ignition control module. The location of the ignition module depends on where the vehicle was manufactured. In a domestic model, the module sits on, inside, or near the distributor housing. Foreign models will hide their igniter within the vehicle's firewall or wheel well. First, carefully remove the ignition control module from the engine. Visually check the ignition control module's electrical connections and metal surface for any damages. If the damages are found, replace the ignition control module. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Honda's P1351 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.